See, basically, I always follow. Once a resistance will always become support. Once a support will always become resistance. If it is given a breakout or a breakdown. So there are two scenarios. Now I'm gonna explain you. See the on the screen, the chart is on the weekly time frame, right? So currently we are watching the Bitcoin chart of the weekly time frame. So now we can see here I'm going to explain very clearly that here at this point previously in the 2021 itself, before making a good rally in this, at this point, at these levels, the Bitcoin got rejected. But initially it again fell off. Coin was trading at $17,000. So right now the Bitcoin got rejected here. Then it given a good rally till at this level, 60, $70,000. From here it got consolidated. It didn't give a sell off from here. It gave a consolidation zone. It made a consolidation. So that's what yeah, that here we can understand because of this consolidation. When a market, when a price, when a script, when a stock, when an index, if each and everything when it consolidates, if it given a good break after forming a bottom, if it is given a good rally, then it is consolidating near all-time high. See, it formed a bottom here, then it given a good rally, then it got consolidated at this all-time highs, which was previously resistance at these levels. So it got consolidated at this zone, then given a good breakout after that, then came for a retracement at these levels, then came for a retracement at this level, then took a bottom here, then it formed an all-time high, then it fell off from this all-time highs. It fell off like almost from all-time highs, it fell off like almost 46%, almost like 45, more than 45%. It fell off like 45%, near to 50%. So I'm saying that there is no need of getting panicked or anything. See, even if we mark the Fibonacci retracement from the swing lows, we can see here that the price is near to 0.5 level, and in between 0.6 and in between the golden ratio. The price is consolidating in between golden ratio, and also this is the electric cost. The 57,830 was the electric cost. That means the whatever the electric cost that is burning, the electric that was being burning to mint, like to mine one Bitcoin, the whatever the cost of the mining is called, that electric cost. So that's been happening here. So even if market, even if the Bitcoin falls, it will get a bounce back above these levels itself. 57,000 will not break in the Bitcoin. So we have to wait for the weekly candle to form. So that I'm expecting that a weekly candle will form here, then it will form a big wick candle. From there the market, then the Bitcoin will form a bottom in this zone. The Bitcoin will form a bottom in this zone, at these levels. So I'm going to mark these levels at this zone. This will be a bottom for Bitcoin. So, see, this will be the bottom zone for Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to mark this as the bottom zone. So if it is closing below 0.62 levels, then we may see the whole complete selling pressure. But this area will be a bottom. Sorry, this area will be a bottom level. What that levels will be 64,600 to 60,600. That is $4,000 of those. These levels will be a bottom for Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. So make sure you follow these levels. From there, we may see some good rally till again all-time highs. That this rally will be a very good rally in the crypto markets, because the gold has been corrected and the Bitcoin is corrected before the gold rally has started. So make sure you follow these levels. And the scenario, I have explained the scenario why this will be a bottom zone, because in the Fibonacci retracement levels, we see here the Bitcoin is trading between 0.5 and 0.62, 0.62, the golden ratio, between the golden ratio levels. And also previously it got rejected from here, it got rejected from this zone, then it got support. Now it may form the support at this level. So we have to wait for 3 more days to let the candle close above this level or that level, so that we can have a good idea about that. Apart from that, there is nothing complicated in the Bitcoin chart. Everything is fine. Only we have to get panicked if it is the Bitcoin is falling below the electric cost price. That's it. I've explained about the electric cost price also. So make sure you follow the levels. And also, most of the big companies and everything, everyone are completely selling off. Even the Trump has sold almost like even the BlackRock has sold $2 billion or to something. I'll post the picture also here. So we have so much of like what we say, so much selling off is coming because of some bad news and effects in and everything. So apart from that, there is nothing to worry about that. Even if it is a little bit showing off like what we say head and shoulders pattern, but it is not formed completely head and shoulders pattern here, because the left shoulder was completely different and the right shoulders was completely different. There is some imbalance in the structure. So that's why I'm not considering this pattern as head and shoulders pattern. Apart from that, everything is fine. Make sure you follow the levels, and also make sure you like, subscribe and share. Thank you.